Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with today's Tesla Tunity. Today I'd like to help you get set up for Tesla's version 9.0 software. As I'm sure many of you have already heard, and if you haven't, I'm happy to break the news for you. Tesla's version 9.0 software will allow you to have the dash cam functionality in your car while you're driving. So we don't know if and when we'll have that kind of support when the car's off, but definitely when the car is on and in motion. There's only one catch. You've got to supply the storage space. So that is done through the USB ports under the center console. Now, for those of you who are like me and you have a charging solution already in place that uses, a phone charging solution in place that uses both of those USB ports, you need to come up with a solution. So here's what I've done. I'm going to show you exactly how to get set up, and we'll be ready to go as soon as version 9.0 drops. So first and foremost, USB splitter. We've got the male end, and then it goes right in the two female ends. So with this, I'll be able to plug in the storage, which is right here, a USB flash drive, 64 gigabytes, USB 3.1. So it should be pretty quick. I'll have links down below in the description for both the adapter as well as for the flash storage. But with this, you'll be able to store plenty of footage. It seemed to be the most reasonably priced for the highest amount and fastest storage. So I think this should be, this should work well for us. And then the adapter, I want to test it out. So what this is going to do is going to plug into the center console. One end is powered and one end is power and data. So we'll have the power going right to my Nomad pad here down in the tray, and then the other will go right to this USB flash storage. So let's go ahead and head over to my computer. I'll show you how to format this card, get it set up for the video cam, for the dash cam, sorry, and we'll come back and install it in the car and see how it all goes. So come on with me. All right, well, for those of you that are Mac users, I'm going to step you through the process of formatting your new USB flash drive. You're going to look for the disk utility, and once it opens, you'll see your new drive, and once you get into that tab, go ahead and click on Erase. All right, from there, make sure you select the format MS-DOS FAT, and you can go ahead and give the drive a name. I'll go ahead and call it Model 3. Click on Erase, let the process run, and literally, you're all set. Now with the drive formatted, follow the final step, which is to locate the drive and add a folder called TeslaCam with a capital T and a capital C. Once you're done, eject the drive, and I'll take you back to my Model 3 to go ahead and install this in the car. All right, so we're back in the car. Now that the drive is formatted properly in that FAT32 format, we have our folder name for the dash cam. It's time to install this. So again, all we're going to do here is, you can see there's two ends here, two female ends. One supplies power and data, one just supplies power. So for this, for the USB flash drive, we're going to use the one that supplies power, so actually it works out well. That's the one with the blue inside. We've got the blue inside on our flash drive as well. So that's that. Now that leaves just the power end. So this is what we're going to connect our Jetta wireless pad or Nomad pad or any other third-party device you have. In this case, I've got the Nomad in the car right now. I've been swapping back and forth testing things, but you can see we've got the cable. Okay, there we go. We're back into focus. Sorry about that. So we're just going to connect these two cables. Okay, so that's connected. This end, again, has the USB flash drive, and then all we have to do is connect the other end underneath in the cubby. Okay, so we should be all set. Let's back it out a little bit. We want to confirm that the phone works, everything's okay. So let's grab my phone. All right, so pretty simple setup. USB splitter, one end going right into our USB flash drive, and the other end going right into our phone charging pad here. We should be okay on the power. Now that is one of the advantages here with the Nomad charging pad, is it has an internal battery. So you're charging the battery's charging the phone. That should work out well for us in this situation. But that's it, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this helps to get you ready for the exciting new version 9 and the new dash cam functionality. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, everyone.